Okay guys, back with you, Husky Shane. So what we're going to do today is just give you a quick sort of review on the 3-inch lift kit that I did on this truck. Overall, I like it, but at first, the first thing I noticed was my camber on my front tires were off and the steering wheel was off-centered. And when I got out on the highway, the thing handled like shit. So let me kind of show you what ended up happening. That way you don't make this mistake in the future. So as soon as I did the lift, my camber was off like a noticeable amount. The tires were in like that. And you can see I just got these tires rotated. You can, well, I don't know if you can see, but like all this outside wear, these were on the front because the tires were in like this. So I finally had to take it in and get it realigned. And now you can see those tires are sitting straight. You know, the camber is straight up and down and my steering wheel is centered. Right after I installed the lift to drive straight, the steering wheel was like this. So anyway, I got that figured out. We just got it aligned today and it drives great now. It drives like it's supposed to. And hopefully now with these tires being rotated, this thing isn't gonna give me all this wear on my tires anymore. So a lot of you guys are probably thinking like, no shit, dude, you should have went and gotten an alignment after you added the lift. But I didn't know that, you know, like it was my first time ever doing a lift on a truck and I didn't know that. You could see the camber in a little bit, but I didn't know that it would affect the handling as much as it did. Like it was a lot. Like getting at highway speeds, that thing was squirrely. You could hear the tires like rubbing when you would turn. It just was a nightmare. But now that I've got the alignment on there, it handles great. So that was just a quick update, quick review. Overall, I like the lift, but if you install one, you got to go take it and get aligned. That's a must, apparently. And I got under there. I wanted to do it myself. And as soon as I looked at it, I was like, nah, this ain't a job for me. I'm going to let somebody who's done this before do it. So anyway, Husky Shane giving you a quick review. Thank you for watching.